Morning everybody. Today we will discuss the problems in chemical kinetics. First problem is the calculate the average rate of decomposition of the N2O5 and the rate of formation of the O2 from the following data. It is given N2O5 to gives N2O4, that is a gas, plus half oxygen. And the change in concentration at two different temperatures is also given. So first of all, we should write the equation which is given in the question, that is N2O5 gives N2O4 plus half O2. And according to the definition of the average rate is equal to the difference in change in the concentration of the reactant with respect to the time, or change in concentration of the product with respect to the time. So the average rate in this, according to this equation, is equal to minus delta N2O5 divided by delta T, that's equal to plus delta T N2O4 divided by delta T, that's equal to plus 2 into delta O2 divided by delta T. Since during the formation, we should always keep in mind that 1 mole of the formation of the product, we should write the average rate only in terms of 1 mole of the reactant or in terms of product. That's why it is plus 2 into delta O2 divided by OT. Average rate of decomposition of the N2O5 is equal to minus delta N2O5 divided by delta T. Then the difference in the concentration of N2O5 is given in the question itself. So that's equal to minus 1.1 minus 1.5 into 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 3 divided by T2 minus T1, that is 800 minus 500. So the value is 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse and second inverse. And from the result, we can also find out the value of average rate of the formation of the oxygen, that's equal to delta O2 divided by delta T, that's equal to minus 1 by 2 into delta N2O5 divided by delta T. Always keep in mind that we should write the formation of the oxygen in terms of 1 mole. So that's why the equation become minus 1 by 2 into delta N2O5 divided by delta T. Then direct substitution of the value, we will get the final answer as 6.65 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole liter inverse and second inverse. Now we are moving into the next problem, that is second problem. When the reaction chlorine plus 2I minus gives 2Cl minus plus I2 was carried out at 298 Kelvin, taking an initial concentration of the I minus equal to 0.50 mole liter inverse, and it was found that 0.02 mole liter inverse of I2 was formed after 10 minutes. Calculate the average rate of the formation of the I2 and average rate of the disappearance of I minus. First of all, we should write the given equation which is given in the question, that is I2 aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous gives 2Cl minus aqueous plus I2, that is in aqueous condition. Now our question is calculate the rate of formation of I2. Here we can see that 1 mole of I2 is formed, and we know that initially the concentration of I2 is 0, and after 10 minutes the concentration is changed to 0.02 mole liter inverse. So delta I2 divided by delta T is equal to 0.02 divided by 10. So the rate of formation of the I2, that's equal to 0.002 mole liter inverse and minute inverse. And from that we can easily find out the rate of disappearance of I minus, that is minus 1 by 2 into delta I minus divided by delta T, that's equal to delta I2 divided by delta T, that's equal to 2 into 0.002, that's equal to 0.004 mole liter inverse and minutes inverse. Now we are moving into the third problem, which is very much similar to the first and second problem. For the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, the rate of the formation of the ammonia delta NH3 divided by delta T was found to be 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse and second inverse. Calculate the rate of disappearance of the nitrogen and the rate of disappearance of the hydrogen. So write down the equation which is given in the question, that is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Then rate is equal to minus delta N2 divided by delta T, that's equal to minus 1 by 3 into delta H2 divided by delta T, that's equal to 1 by 2 into delta NH3 divided by delta T. So delta NH3 divided by delta T, that's equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse and second inverse. Now substitute the value which is directly given in the question itself. So we will get the rate of disappearance of nitrogen, that's equal to minus delta N2 divided by delta T, that's equal to 1 by 2 into delta NH3 divided by delta T. We have already know the value of the concentration of NH3 divided by delta T. So the final amount of the formation of the disappearance is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse and second inverse. Next problem is the rate of disappearance of hydrogen, that's equal to minus delta H2 divided by delta T, that's equal to 3 by 2 into delta NH3 divided by delta T, that's equal to 3 by 2 into 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4, that's equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse and second inverse. I hope that you understood the three problems and you should write this problem in your physical notebook. Thank you.